Fanimation ceiling fans are primarily designed to be controlled by remote control. This creates a significant problem when the remote is lost, damaged, or stops working properly. Here we can see a typical Fanimation setup with the ceiling fan, its receiver unit, and the remote control. The receiver is the key component that interprets signals from the remote to control fan speed and lighting. When your remote is unavailable, the first alternative is using a wall control switch. These switches can directly control both the fan speed and lighting without needing a remote. Another option is using a universal remote control. These remotes come with their own receiver that needs to be installed in the fan, but they can replace your original remote completely. For advanced users with electrical knowledge, direct wiring is possible. This involves bypassing the receiver entirely and connecting the fan motor directly to the power source. However, this requires proper electrical skills and safety precautions. Finally, if your fan is behaving unexpectedly, such as turning on and off randomly or changing speeds by itself, this is often caused by radio frequency interference from other devices. This can usually be resolved by adjusting settings or repositioning equipment. When you don't have the original remote, there are several alternative control methods available for your Fanimation ceiling fan. First option is installing a wall control. Check if your fan model is compatible with a wall control system, which provides a convenient permanent solution. Second option is using a universal remote designed for ceiling fans. These can often be programmed to work with Fanimation models, though they may require installing a new receiver unit. For those comfortable with electrical work, direct wiring to bypass the remote receiver is possible. However, this requires following standard electrical color coding for safety: black to black, white to white, and green to bare ground. If your fan exhibits unexpected behavior like turning on randomly or changing speeds, try adjusting the dip switch settings. This can resolve RF interference from other devices in your home. If these solutions don't resolve your issues, consult Fanimation's support resources or contact a qualified electrician. Professional help ensures safe installation and proper operation of your ceiling fan.